Friends, Jai Swaminarayan, how are you all? So, after the exams in these sessions, we are going to complete our remaining chapter 10s. Okay, जो हमारा चैप्टर 10 टेंसेस का एक ही सेशंस हुआ था ना हमारा बच्चों, जिसमें हम लोगों ने कवर किया था प्रेजेंट टेंस एंड इट्स काइंड्स. ओके, सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस and present perfect tense, okay, and present perfect continuous tense. So in these sessions we are going to start our simple past tense, okay, and its kinds. So let's proceed, students. This tense is used to describe events that took place in the past, okay. This sentence is used to describe the events or the situation or the action which has been taken in the past form, students. So, see, we can more understand with the help of the example. Someone broke into our neighbor's house last night. Okay. Break is the past tense, broke is the break is the present tense and break का हो जाएगा broke the past tense. My friend Riya celebrated her birthday at a local fast food restaurant last Sunday. See, we are going to study in the last some small sentences in which you can get a perfect idea, students. In this you might have get confused, only we have to follow the rules. When the particular kinds of tenses is used, okay. In the last I am going to give you the simple examples in which you will get the best idea. Now, events that took place in the past over a period of time, okay. The events which has been taken place in the past over a period of time. For example, my grandfather went for long walks when he lived in the village. Now grandfather is no more, so someone is describing his habit. Okay, when grandfather went for a long walks when he lived in the village. Okay. Now what is the keywords in this sentence, students? See, one more example is given. When Farhan arrived in the US, he drove a taxi to earn a living. Keywords used with this tense are words like last year, yesterday, a long time ago, etc. In simple past tense, students, in the sentences, most probably this word has been used. Last year, yesterday, a long time ago. Okay. Now in the past continuous tense, see. Continuous means what, students? Continuous means the action is going continually. Okay. Whether it has been in the present form or in the past form or in the future form. Okay. The action which is continue now, that means in the present tense, or it was continue in the past. So, past continuous tense means the action which is going on in the past. Okay. Are you getting my point, students? See, now what are the categories in this? Events that were going on at a point of time, sometime in the past. Okay. The events which were going on a certain point of time in this. For example, Suman was sleeping at 3 in the afternoon. Okay. Suman was sleeping means that means he woke up now. ओके क्या वो हमेशा ही सोती रहेगी? दिस नॉट बी. ओके, सो द somewhat period of time the action was going in the past. In that sense we are using past continuous tense. Now Loveline was writing a letter to her mother at 6 o'clock. At event that took place when another action was going on. Okay, when it is used past continuous tense in regards with when the another action also was going on in addition to that, students. That means maybe in this sentence both two sentences have been merged together. Are you getting my point? The two sentences have been merged together. That means the action was going in the past. How? The train was moving towards Sonepat when the engine driver spotted the damaged railway tracks. The teacher was explaining the concept when the bell rang. See, in this there are two sentences, student. The teacher was explaining the concept and when the bell rang. Okay. Now, past perfect tense. Sorry, I forgot to turn the page, students. See, I have told you that whenever the lecture is going on, your textbook must be on. Okay, it has to be open, students. Now, past perfect tense. This tense is used when we talk of an action that took place before another action that happened in the past. For example, I had completed my work before my parents returned from office. Okay, he already completed his work when his parents was returned from the office. In this also there are two sentences. First, that he has done work previously, okay, when a certain situation is going on, students. My friends had started playing football before I reached the park. Okay, this way, to talk about events that took place very long time back. Okay, past perfect tense is also used the situation when it is happened in a long time back, a long ago. Okay, for example, his grandparents had lived in Singapore for 20 years before coming to India. Nelson Mandela had lived in jail for several years. Okay, are you getting my point, students? Now, past perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to talk about how long an action was going on in the past. Nobita had been watching TV for an hour when his father arrived home. Okay, that means the situation is not completed, it has been going on certain period of time continuously. Okay, in regards to the pastly, Priya had been playing the piano for some time before it was time for her go to bed. Okay, in this we are also explaining the habitual action, students. Are you getting? See, I have told you that I have brought a simple sentences for you. It is from the high school, but you will understand very simply in this. Okay, so let's see that. As we have completed the past tense and its kind, so we will see, students. 1 minute. Okay, see, you look into this example. Simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Now how the sentence has been changed. In this, a particular simple example has been taken and it has been enlarged to the different sentences, students. Okay, now I spoke, I was speaking. I speak का हो गया spoke, it's a simple past tense and I was speaking. Okay, past continuous means the action was going continually in the past. Okay, I was speaking. Now, you spoke, you were speaking. As I have told you, students, कि you को कभी भी हम लोग plural form में ही लेते. Always we took you in the plural form. You spoke, you were speaking. ओके, वॉज का हो जाएगा वेर, क्योंकि हम लोग प्लूरल को वेर में यूज़ करते भी यूज़. ओके, नाउ ही स्पोक, ही वॉज स्पीकिंग. That means the action was going in the past, he was speaking. For he, we use was because he is a singular. Now, we spoke, we were speaking. Okay, we were speaking क्यों आ गया? क्योंकि we is the plural form, students. Now, they spoke, they were speaking. So, are you getting the difference between the simple past tense and the past continuous tense, students? Okay. Now, difference between, see, only the particular single sentence is taken, so you can get the idea the differences when it is changing, students. Kindly go on reading the sentences daily so you can get the idea. Okay, go on reading the sentences, you will automatically get the idea. You won't have to refer the formulas or the definitions or the explanations. Only by reading the sentences you will get the proper idea. Okay, now past perfect tense. I had spoken, I had been speaking. Are you getting? See, in the past perfect tense we use before the verb had, and in the past perfect continuous tense we use had been. This is the difference, and plus ing. I will give you formula in written, students, afterwards. I had spoken, I had been speaking. You had spoken, you had been speaking. He had spoken, he had been speaking. We had spoken, we had been speaking. Okay. They had spoken, they had been speaking. So, are you getting my point, students?